Hello and welcome once again to the Waters and Stanton video channel. Just a news item that the Icom IC7760 is on its way. In fact, it's due to arrive this week at Icom UK and we should have some stock early next week. So if you're in the market for this brand new radio, this flagship radio from Icom, then get in touch and we'll be happy to do a deal. And remember, if you want to do a part exchange deal, we're more than happy to do a part exchange deal. The best thing to do is give us a call and we'll discuss it with you and see what sort of deal we can do. This promises to be a groundbreaking transceiver, and Icom have actually sort of changed the way that they've presented this. Instead of it being in a big box, well, it is in a big box, but the big box can go under your desk. The great news is now that you have a relatively small control panel that you can put on your desk and have access to this quite amazing transceiver. Now, Icom have prepared a short video on this, and I'll put a link below this video here so you can see it for yourself. But it looks to be a really nice transceiver, groundbreaking transceiver, the new flagship from Icom. So click on the link below this video and have a look at what this has to offer, even if you're not in the market for it. It's quite interesting to see the technology that's now been incorporated in this radio. And when you finish watching this video, get in touch with us if you're in the market for the new Icom 7760. It's a nice rig full of all sorts of wonderful tricks and using the latest technology. Hats off to Icom. It's a real winner for those that are serious about their ham radio. In the meantime, thank you for your support on this channel. It's much appreciated. Don't forget to press the subscribe button, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.